There's a tornado. I found a tornado. YouTube. There's a tornado. Can I see it on the map? No. But there's a flipper. Oh my god, the tornado. The tornado's lifting stuff. YouTube. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Look at this, guys. Ultimate, legit playing with the tornado. Holy, I'm inside the tornado. What is happening? What is happening? Whoa, whoa. I'm gliding everywhere. It does not show on the map, but you can see it. It's a black cloud. Whoa. What is happening? Whoa. And also I got the new gun, the flare gun. The new item got revolted. What the tornado? What the tornado is happening? Can you Spider-Man mythic on stuff? Can you flip in Spider-Man mythic? You can't. I cannot Spider-Man mythic. I'm still here again. Uh-oh. Oh no, oh no, oh no. I'm coming, tornado. Tornado. Come back. Yes, I'm on a tornado. I'm on the tornado. What? Whoa! Tornado is amazing. I'm gonna camp in the tornado so no one can find me. Whee! I'm inside the tornado. What if I go up? What happens if I go up? Oh, what is happening? Whoa! Come back. I'm gonna go on you, tornado. What? There's so much. Wait, can I get in the car? Oh, I can't. What? I'm gonna get this car and go into the tornado. I am legit gonna go to the tornado right now. Does this work? Does this work? Oh my god! This works! Holy! This legit works. I cannot see. Whoa. Oh, I think it's fading out. Is it fading? Whoa! Get in the car. Can I get in the car while I'm tornado flying? I can't. Oh, come on. No, you cannot. Uh-oh. Storm. The real storm has came to kill the tornado. Tornado, no. We gone. Bye, tornado. Okay, that's it. Bye.